something. Then the next one is in thousands.
Yes, sir. Okay. So what is the fourth one? Fourth number?
Beta, it is 7,000 something. I don't remember. Okay, but there are more also. Then the next one will be in 10,000s or lakhs.
Yes, sir. So can't 60 be like this?
No, beta.
But it doesn't happen like that.
No, it won't. And Gauri, keep your camera on. Are you on a sofa?
Sir, who? No, sir. Sir, I'm on a table.
Smiley. So today we are going to do triangles. So we are going to learn with some of new terms in triangles.
Yeah, I love triangles.
You love triangles, that's great.
Triangles are my second least favorite shape.
So first of all, triangle is a polygon with how many sides? 3 sides. An equilateral triangle will have 3 lines of symmetry, while an isosceles triangle will have 1 line of symmetry. We all know that, correct?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion in this?
No, sir.
Then we have the vertices and the sides and interior and exterior of a triangle, which is self-explanatory, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me draw a triangle like this.
So what is the meaning of self-explanatory?
I mean, interior, exterior नाम से ही आपको समझ में आ जाता है ना?
No, sir.
Interior means inside. The points which are inside the triangle are in the interior of a triangle. The points that are outside will be exterior. Okay, so every triangle we give a name: A, B, C, D, E, F, P, Q, R, M, N, O, P, O, Q, C, O, D, whatever you want to give.
Yes, sir.
Guys, 1 second, let me check on Ananya. We'll continue. All right. So Smiley and Geetal, keep your camera on. So then we have the median. Median divides the opposite sides into 2 parts. Your AM is the median. These 2 signs represents कि BM is equal to MC. BM is equal to MC. So what is your median? AM is your. Understood, guys?
I did not understand what is the median. Sir,
A median divides the opposite side into 2 equal parts.
So how is it
median
equal?
from a vertex.
Sir, wouldn't
Divides the opposite side into 2 equal parts.
So, sir, would it be a line of symmetry?
Line of symmetry divides the triangle into 2 equal parts. Now guys, केवल ये line को bisect कर रही है. Bisect means divided into 2 equal parts. Should I show you the median for BM also? This is the median from B. Let me call it BN. Means AN is equal to NC. Understood, guys?
Sir, AN is equal to NC.
Oh, beta. AN is equal to NC. And this is the third median. So what should I call it? CO. Now there is a special name of this point also, where all the 3 medians intersect. So what is it called? Anyone know? Anyone knows the answer?
Point of intersection. The intersection point. The intersection point.
No.
So what if there's another median?
The point, beta, only 3 medians are there. Of intersection of medians is called centroid. Is called what? Centroid.
Yes.
Of the triangle or just centroid. Now guys, those who will be giving other exams other than SOF, there is one more interesting thing that I can tell you. इसको O की जगह CP कर लेते हैं and इसको O कर. So should I tell you that interesting point also?
Yes.
So who all will be giving some other exams as well other than SOF? So Hacker is giving, Ruhan is giving, Adhya, okay. Mr. Ba is giving. Dharam, will you be giving some other exam?
They're like, I don't know any other exam.
Beta like UIMO, NSTSC.
I don't know about these exams at all.
Geetal, will you be giving?
I also didn't know about. Sir, I gave one today in the school. And in our school, there's only one option for IMO.
Beta, you can, register for these exams directly online. And those who don't know, Sudaram and Geetal, you can ask your mom to read in the group. I already posted. Didn't I post the details?
That was something like logic quiz. I did it today in school.
I haven't
My mic is on.
did.
Even I have logic.
No,
too.
I have posted, guys. I have posted for Crest Olympiad, UIMO. So whoever wants to register, they can register.
So if like we can do for 2 exams.
That is the online.
Yes.
So I think I already did an exam.
So guys, the centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So this is, something extra that I'm telling you. It won't be in the grade 6 curriculum or SOF curriculum, but in other exams. So the centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex. Means अगर आप AO upon OM करोगे और BO upon ON करोगे और CO upon OP करोगे, it will be 2:1. All right. So centroid is the.
I did not understand. So what
See,
do you
beta,
mean by
first of all, you
dividing by?
understood that O point is the centroid, is called the centroid, where all the
Yes, sir.
three medians meet. You understood median divides the
that's also
opposite
understood.
side in the equal parts into 2 equal parts. This thing you understood?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Now, suppose
Yes,
your
I
CP,
understood that.
let's say your CP is 6. Okay.
So what do
So
you mean by CP?
CP is the median. You can read here CP.
Okay, yeah. CP is the second median.
Then CO will be 4 and OP will be 2. This is what it means because the ratio is 2:1.
Ratio. Okay, so what? So I forgot ratio. Ratio is like.
Ratio means when you do upon CO upon OP, it will be 2:1. And we will be doing, revision of ratio after the next month. Okay.
Okay.
So this is about median. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. No
No, sir.
doubts?
No, sir. Sir, I do
Then
not understand this.
It's a bit confusing.
See
Very.
guys, median divides the opposite side in the ratio in 2 equal parts. Median divides the opposite side in 2 equal parts. जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल बता दूं, दिस इज अनदर ट्रायंगल. अब मैंने यहां से मीडियन बनाया इस पॉइंट से, वर्टेक्स ए से मीडियन बनाऊंगा बीसी पर. तो जिस भी पॉइंट में कट करेगी, सपोज इट कट्स एट बीएम, तो बीएम विल बी इक्वल टू एमसी. BM will be equal to MC and AM is called the median. AM is called median. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I didn't understand the ratio thing. Like AO upon OM is equal to BO upon OM is equal to
बेटा मीडियन का जो सेंट्रॉइड होता है ना पॉइंट, so that divides the median in the ratio 2:1. जब हम रेशियो करेंगे ना, मुझे एक बार और रिमाइंड कराना, मैं दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करूँ. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Then the next is altitude. What is an altitude?
Sir, altitude is height.
So you can say that, but not always, but you can say that. So see again guys, एक similarity होती है कि median, altitude, everything comes out from the vertex. So this, अगर मैं A से BC पे if I draw an altitude means I will draw a line which intersects at right angles. अब BM is not equal to MC. BM और MC equal नहीं है, but the angle at which AM intersects is 90 degree. So this is called altitude. Understood, guys?
Sir, no. So, so what do you mean by altitude?
Altitude बीस बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक लाइन ड्रॉ होगी अपोजिट वर्टेक्स से. BC के अपोजिट कौन सी वर्टेक्स है आप मुझे बताओ.
BC की opposite vertex is A.
A. अब आप A से BC तक जब आप एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करो, परपेंडिकुलर समझते हो, which intersects at 90 degree. So if this AM is a perpendicular from A, so this is called its altitude. इसको हम height of the triangle भी बोल सकते हैं. All right.
So what does it symbolizes? ये help क्या करती है करने में?
Beta, all these help in higher, when higher level mathematics. When you go to next grade, this can help you to calculate the area of this triangle.
तो सर अभी हमें एरिया निकालना है तो अभी not use altitude, just for learning.
Yeah. अभी आपको एरिया निकालना है तो अभी आपको डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला मैं बता दूंगा, बिकॉज कुछ एग्जाम्स में वो यूज होता है.
बता चलो.
या
Sir, 1/2
base into height.
base into height. Yes, sir,
So,
we did it. It's
1/2 into base into height. बेस होता है जो आपका BC है. सो इस केस में इस ट्राइंगल का अगर आपको एरिया फाइंड करना है, so then what you will do, half times BC times AM. मतलब जो BC की लेंथ होगी multiplied by AM की लेंथ multiplied by 1/2. That's how you can find the area.
सर BC
Again,
की लेंथ क्या है? सर BC और AM की लेंथ क्या है?
वो क्वेश्चन में दी होगी. Suppose if this is 10
Okay.
and AM is let's say 4.
Okay.
So half
That's
times
20.
10 times 4, which is equal to 20.
Okay.
Understood? Square units.
So we'll multiply. Okay. Understood. Thank you, sir.
All right. So this is called the altitude. Now the altitude can be from outside the triangle also.
So you can simply multiply, right? 1 times 2. Like, can you just show the multiplying ones to get 20?
Yes, I multiply 10 into 4 divided it by 2. और आप सिंप्लीफाई कर लो, 2 और 5 को कट कर दो, 5
so
into
can
4
you
is 20.
so can you show by simplification?
बेटा सेम ये हो गया 5 into 4
I
20.
remember, but I just wanted to be.
Fractions का
5
पार्ट
कर
है
देंगे फिर.
तो is fractions
Yeah, sir,
coming
I
in
know.
your school syllabus, Gaurish?
No, sir, it'll be coming in next term.
What about you, UI? Is fractions in your school syllabus?
Yes, sir, I think so. Yeah, sir.
So this has not been taught to you in geometry?
Sir, we haven't done geometry yet.
Acha, you haven't done yet. Okay.
So we have done geometry.
So this has not been taught to you?
So we did some of the things.
Don't ask such questions during the class, Ruhan. We are in grade 6.
Sir, in geometry we did like angles only on the interior, not on the exterior. Only interior angles, or like how angles are written.
Also
and what
exterior. Then we did points and all. but then we did not do
points and all.
triangle.
Usually we mostly focus on like polynomials, like four-sided figures and points and how to
बेटा
write
इस
those
बार ना
points.
ग्रेड 6 का सीबीएसई ने सिलेबस भी बहुत कम कर दिया है.
Yes, sir. In the new NCRT book, the teacher was telling that they have just short, like they have cut it so much syllabus. We didn't even do circles, which were done by the previous class.
काफी ज्यादा कम कर दिया.
You're very lucky. We have to do so much of work.
All right, guys. So now, like, we have a
You
point
are in
where all
in
the
CBSE, right?
okay, guys. There is a point where all the
So
perpendiculars
you are in
meet.
are you in CBSE or ICSE?
ICSE.
Guys, इस बार ओलंपियाड का सिलेबस कम नहीं हुआ. I think from next time even they might reduce it. So now, guys, O is a point where all the altitudes meet. Now again, it has a special name.
Centroid.
The point where all the altitudes
Oh, altitudes.
meet is called the orthocenter of the triangle. So the point where all the altitudes meet is called the orthocenter of the triangle. Any confusion in this? Now, guys, altitude can be inside the triangle also and outside the triangle also. Like in this case, this altitude is outside. So altitudes can be inside also and outside also.
So where will be the ortho center? Like if it's outside.
If it's outside, then let's see. ये इसका altitude हो गया. So ortho center will also be outside.
Then I found two altitudes in the middle one.
Sir, ortho center was like the.
I don't get it. What's the difference of centroid and orthocenter? They are type of the same because they are the point of intersection.
They are the beta centroid is the point of intersection of medians. Ortho center is the point of intersection of altitudes.
The altitude is not
altitude. So what do you? So there's only one altitude. What do you mean?
Beta, there are three. जैसे see B से, so you notice the vertex B. So on B, I have drawn an altitude on AC. B के opposite side कौन सी है? AC. AC is the side opposite to B. Can you see that?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So then B opposite to B, you have AC. Now BN is the altitude. BN is the altitude.
And so the intersection point is O.
Yeah.
So it's the O is the intersection of altitudes, so we'll call it orthocenter.
Orthocenter. अब मैं इसी लाइन में अगर इसी ट्राइंगल में मीडियंस बना दूं, listen here. अगर मैं इसी ट्राइंगल में मीडियंस बना दूं, so the point of intersection of these medians will called centroid. So that centroid will be different, orthocenter will be different for most triangles. In equilateral triangle, they will be same.
So but PC isn't a median.
P is not the median. Approximately, अगर आप AB में देखो तो sometimes median and altitude are too close to each other. जैसे इसका midpoint approximately ये होगा. So this would be the median. It's very hard to distinguish. So sometimes, अब जैसे from C it's hard to distinguish, but from A it is very clear that the median will be like this and these two will be equal. Correct?
Yeah.
So sometimes it is very hard to find the difference. जब compact triangle हो या फिर there is very less difference between the 90-degree angle and the median, it is possible that it happens.
So do these units come in handy?
Sir, then the orthocenter and the centroid are same.
Orthocenter and centroid will be same in equilateral triangle.
Yeah.
Sir, are these units useful in trigonometry?
Beta, they are useful in higher level mathematics and yes, trigonometry also.
So what is trigonometry?
Trigonometry is the study of relationship between angles and sides, mostly of a right angle triangle. But you know, we can apply trigonometry to normal triangles also.
Oh, okay, cool.
So let's
So
study
quadrilateral
quadrilateral now.
So quadrilateral have 4 sides, right?
Yeah. So quadrilaterals, we are not going to study anything extra. Quadrilaterals are four-sided polygon. Quadrilateral.
Sir, what are the triangles called which have 3 different side lengths?
Scalene.
Sorry, I forgot.
Sir, so the above examples were scalene or isosceles?
Beta, I think I took scalene only. So quadrilaterals are four-sided.
So you took what? So I didn't understand what is scaling. What do you mean by like scaling?
Scalene, beta, is a triangle. Okay, I'll give you notes with respect to triangles. Let me give you some notes.
Okay,
So scalene triangle. So first of all, triangle classification based on sides.
So what do you mean by classification based on sides? So it only has 3 sides because it's a triangle.
Let me write it down. Means
Okay.
we will separate triangles based on the equality of their sides. So first is scalene. All 3 sides and angles
Equal.
of different measure will have no line of symmetry.
Are equal.
No, all different.
Okay.
No line of symmetry.
Are all
Then we
different.
have isosceles.
No, so they will know. So they will know.
Two sides and two angles.
So there will be no means in. So
are
there will
of
be no means in scaling, right?
बेटा नो मीडियंस हर ट्राइंगल में होती हैं हर ट्राइंगल में आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो मीडियंस एल्टीट्यूड्स यू कैन ड्रॉ इन any type of triangle. So two sides
Okay.
and two angles are of same measure.
Same.
Base angles are equal. One line of symmetry. If anyone wants me to draw, I will draw a rough diagram also of all.
The equilateral has 3 sides of symmetry.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Equilateral will have all sides and angles are equal. Angles measure 60 degrees. It has 3 lines of symmetry.
It's compulsory 60 degrees.
Yes.
Oh yeah, because 60 to 3 is 1
So then this is a scalene triangle. This is how an isosceles triangle look. Let me draw a better diagram. It has one line of symmetry like this, and equilateral will look like
It's not
this.
drawn to scale, but it looks like this.
This is an equilateral triangle with 3 lines of symmetry. You can name it ABC, PQR, and MNO. So we all know these are 3 vertices and every triangle will have 3 sides. Okay, so because we are talking about symmetry, I want to tell you that a regular polygon. What is a regular polygon?
So can you do a little more up? I wanted to take a screenshot for it.
Okay, so what is a regular polygon, guys?
So a regular polygon is
Figure which has
is a shape with having more, is a closed figure with having more than 3 is having more than 3 is having
Polygon is
four
a
sides.
figure which has more than 3 sides.
No, more than two
A
sides.
regular
polygon is a polygon which does not cross itself. I think so.
No.
Sir, a regular polygon is a shape. Is a shape
a
that
square.
that
Is a
equals.
polygon with all
More than
sides
two.
equal. All sides and all angles equal. So equilateral triangle is a regular polygon.
So like a square.
Square is a regular polygon. Now a regular polygon with n sides will have n lines of symmetry. इसका meaning क्या हुआ? Suppose four-sided polygon, regular polygon is a square. It will have 4 lines of symmetry. Five-sided regular polygon is a regular pentagon. It will have 5 lines of symmetry. Six-sided regular polygon is a regular hexagon. It will have 6 lines of symmetry. Any doubts? Please ask.
Sir, wait.
Can we have a 2 minutes break?
Sir, is there a 7-sided polygon?
Yeah, heptagon.
Yes. Septagon or heptagon. Now this was triangle classification based on sides. We have triangle classification based on angles also.
Acute triangle.
Excuse me, sir. Can you scroll it up for a second?
So can we get a break?
Yes, sir. You can scroll it down.
So you guys want a break? Okay, fine.
Yes,
Take a 4
sir.
minutes break.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So next is, first is acute angle triangle. So all angles are acute. So which is the next one? Obtuse angle triangle. All one angle is obtuse and the rest are acute. Then we have right angle triangle.
Sir, all this will come in the IMO paper?
One angle is right and the others are acute. Beta, they can frame questions like this.
But we studied this in 5th and 4th.
So they can give you questions from here.
Oh.
So any confusion in this? Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So Geetal, where is Gorish?
So he was here only. I don't know. So what is the reason behind the sum of all angles of a triangle being equal to 180 degrees?
Because we have defined it that way. We have defined the degrees that way. The triangle will have 180 degrees and the complete angle will have 360 degrees.
Once I made a triangle, its sum was less or more than 180.
It cannot be less or more than 180. You can never make a triangle like that.
Can you scroll it up?
Yes.
So why not?
You try it. If you are able to make, I will give you a huge prize and your name will be written in the book of mathematicians.
Can I annotate?
No, not on the screen. You try it on the paper and then we'll talk.
Okay, sir.
I got down in class.
He's going to be famous, dear. If it is
Yes,
even
you can try.
0.1 point less, you'll become famous.
We are already famous.
Oh yeah, she has her name written on what do you say? You know what?
For school notebooks.
No.
Shut up, guys.
So,
I
Rohan, that was a
request,
very good one.
I request all SPMS kids to please stay quiet.
Can I speak this at least that you have your name on dash dash?
School notebooks.
No, sorry. Do not, Sudharam.
Why? Just
All right,
I'm
all
gonna
right. Enough,
murder
enough,
you.
guys. Enough, enough.
I'm very
So,
surprised that you have
guys,
your name.
this is a quadrilateral. It has 4 vertices. Geetal, can you check on Gauri once?
No, I did. He said that he was having some issue, connecting issues, and he was just joining. I just checked.
Okay, so vertices will be A, B, C, D, and the sides will be
ABC.
A B A D
A,
B
B,
C
B, C,
D
C,
C.
D,
DA.
and DA. And the angles will be
So what about? Oh,
angle
ADC,
DAD,
ABC, CDA, and
angle
BCD.
ABC, then angle BCD,
angle ADC.
and angle CDA.
So you made an angle bad. So sad.
Sorry, sir. I left because my net was not working.
Okay, so this we are
Yes.
studying a quadrilateral. ABCD are the vertices and these are the sides. ABCDD and these are the angles.
So you made an angle bad.
What
So
did the
sad.
Yes.
uncle do? What was he very naughty
So
and mean?
AC and BD are what? What are AC and BD called?
Sir, it's too
AC is
hot.
air conditioner and BD.
AC
What
and
is it?
BD are the diagonals. They are called diagonals. They join the opposite vertices. So they are called what? Diagonals.
Diagonal.
Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Listen. Like is on.
Now we have convex and concave quadrilateral. Geetal, I think you have studied them in your class now.
No,
Miss
sir.
Beta, you were telling me that they convex and concave.
So I was it. I must be telling something else.
So we did not school. So we did not do this in school. We did it like when we were doing at home, practicing stuff. So in our book they were mentioning.
So what is a
They were mentioning.
convex and concave quadrilateral?
So BD means twice a day. So AC stands for air conditioner and BD for twice a day. I don't know. We didn't do that. In coordinators, I think that we only did what they were, and in the category of polygons, their symmetry and their points and all representation. We didn't do.
So see, normally the quadrilaterals that we study are convex quadrilaterals. This is a convex quadrilateral.
There I know what convex coordinators are. So it's like I think it's a function between like a graph is convex of a line segment.
So the
Like,
normally the
the segment
quadrilaterals
of
that
a like
we
so
draw
the point when they meet
even
like line segment ka tha wo hota I think.
square, example square, rectangle, then parallelogram. These are
Parallelogram? What is parallelogram?
so these are all convex quadrilaterals. And what are concave quadrilaterals?
So what is a
So
parallelogram?
let's write down the definition. Concave quadrilaterals have one interior angle more than 180 or a one reflex angle. One interior angle as reflex.
So
Can we
today you
write as
haven't.
reflex?
Sir, today I have been extra nice, but
Yes.
you have given us a break and you haven't given us any questions to solve, which is not so nice, but still.
What?
So we
That
have
is a
A,
good
B, C,
thing.
D. So
Sir,
see,
isn't
this
it?
is a convex. This is a concave quadrilateral because इसमें एक angle reflex है. So which has one interior angle as reflex is a concave quadrilateral. Cave जैसा बन रहा है guys?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see yes or no?
Yes, sir. So, sir, so concave quadrilateral can only be drawn in one way, which is 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it can be drawn in infinite ways, but definitely one angle is going to be reflex. So then,
Sir, but
can
if we
anyone
need,
tell me what are sides AB and BC called? जो neighboring sides होती हैं, what are they called? Which have a common vertex?
sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, if we need to form this sort of
Ask.
an angle, then only one or two possibilities are there to create a
But a
concave.
lot of
Can you give another
possibilities are
example,
there.
please?
Like if we make an L with like.
See, all these are concave. Can you see?
Sir, what if we
Wait,
make an L?
how is this a concave?
Which one?
Sir, may I annotate?
So can you tell what's a
Yes, yes.
This one and this
A
one. How?
simple concave polygon that is not convex is called concave. A concave polygon will have at least one reflex interior angle.
So how are these two concaves?
These two are not concave. इनमें convex लिखा भी हुआ है अगर आप देखो.
I can't see them. And sir,
All
how
right.
is
So we
this
have
concave?
बेटा this
for a convex?
is इसमें cross कर रहे हैं तो ये polygon हुआ ही नहीं.
Uh,
आप देखो in any case they are not crossing each other. Crosses
sir,
each
here,
other, not a polygon.
so they had crossed in this one.
No beta no.
So see
This
this
is
line and
crossed
this line.
quadrilateral. We have written crossed quadrilateral.
Oh, okay.
So this is not a convex or a concave. I don't know. Cross is not in the curriculum. Anyway, let's not go into that. So what I am trying to say is that any two sides with a common vertex. Ruhan, camera on. So Arav Khandkar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Any
But
sides of a quadrilateral with a common vertex are called sides of a quadrilateral with common vertex are called adjacent sides. Means neighboring.
Sir, all quadrilaters have adjacent sides.
Yes, of course. Like which is the side adjacent to AB? It will be BC and AD. Any doubts? BC
Yes.
and AD will be
So
adjacent
there's
sides.
an adjacent point, which is the common point, and then there are adjacent sides.
Yes. Now opposite sides means जिनसे कोई vertex
Diagonal.
share नहीं होगी. BC and AD are opposite. AB and CD are opposite. BC and AD are opposite. AB and CD are opposite. Understood? Not understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir, if you make anything like any shape with having more than two sides which has a reflex angle, it will be a concave quadrilateral.
It will be a concave polygon because it can be of 5 sides also. Now the last concept is circle. So we all know that circle has a radius, it has a diameter. Yes or no?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
But sir, I do
And
not.
diameter is twice the radius. We all know that.
Yes, sir.
So what is the perimeter of a circle called?
Circumference.
So perimeter of circle
Circumference.
is called circumference.
So how do we measure the circumference on a paper?
We will learn that this year. Now guys, so then what is this pizza piece called?
A fraction?
Region. Like this. Shaded part.
First of all, we know what's a chord of a circle. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
This is called a chord which touches 2 points of a circle. This is called also a chord.
2 boundary points, right?
And yeah, so diameter is the longest chord of the circle.
So there are infinite diameters, right?
Yes. Now what is an arc? This is an arc. This is an arc. An arc is a part of a circle.
Circumference.
Is a part of this.
What is a tangent?
Sir,
This is a tangent.
what is a tangent? I didn't understand.
A line that touches a circle at one point. Too many definitions in geometry.
So they can't ask us to define something.
Sir, I'm taking
Math.
screenshots for all of them and remembering after. Sir, I'll remember them after
Can
the
you
class.
send in the group only?
Yes, I will share all these in a group.
I
So
didn't
Sir, I've
tangent,
taken
a
the
line that
screenshot for
touches
all
a
of
circle at one point. Then arc is a part of a circle. Then we have studied chord. We have one more thing called the secant.
I didn't understand tangent.
बेटा टेंजेंट कोई भी लाइन जो एक पॉइंट पे टच करे
Okay, sir.
और अगर कोई लाइन हो जो क्रॉस करके चले जाए सर्कल को, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सीकेंट.
So what if a line comes from the exterior of the circle and just
Goes through, that
centers
is called the
out?
secant.
No, it doesn't like come out from the other side. It just rests in the circle.
That is called a chord.
So isn't that called a tangent?
No,
It comes
tangent
from the
is,
exterior of the circle.
yeah, tangent goes from the exterior, touches the circle at one point.
Yes, sir. It goes from the exterior and goes and then touches the center of the circle.
A line that intersects the circle at exactly 2 points.
So is there any other thing?
Segment also.
So what was that thing called? Like the fraction one? That was called?
So next class, first we will do revision. Then we will proceed at
Okay, sir.
exactly
Thank
2
you.
points.
Sir, we will do revision, right?
So what is that called? Like the pizza piece or the slice that you were
Sector.
saying? Sector?
Sir, can you write the
So
definition
guys,
of
this
sector?
pizza piece is called the sector.
Okay. So can you scroll a little down so I can take a
Sir,
screenshot?
sir, may I ask you a riddle?
Yes.
6 teacups were placed on a table. 5 fell and broke. How many are left on the table?
Can you repeat?
6 teacups were on a table. 5 fell. How many are left?
5 fell where?
Down and broke. So how many are left on the table?
I guess 1.
Good. Yeah, that's the answer because it is 6 teacups.
How?
6 teacups. Have you ever heard of
Oh.
those teacups? Like the China teacups?
Also, one is left.
You wanted
Oh,
us that you said 60 cups.
Yep.
wanted us
One
to
is left.
imagine 60, but you actually said
Imagine
6.
6.
Yes.
So sector's definition is a region bounded by 2 radii
Okay.
and the enclosed arc.
And the enclosure.
Then we have last, everyone knows what a semicircle is, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then we have last, a segment.
Is it like a segment of the semicircle?
The 1/4 of a circle is called a
No. The region bounded by, you can write a region bounded by an arc and its corresponding chord. So guys, if I make a line like this is a chord. Let me make it some with black color. This is a chord and this would be the segment. This would be a minor segment and the bigger one on the opposite side will be a major segment. Minor means small, major means big. So we will now do a quick revision of circle. So let me draw another circle and see from there.
Okay, sir.
So first of all, a pizza piece. What is it called?
So a pizza piece. So a pizza piece is called
Sector.
So sector. And this is the center. Now what is this line called?
the chord.
segment.
Chord.
Chord.
This
chord.
line is
The
called
chord.
chord.
Yes.
What
sir.
is this
Chord.
area called?
So this area is
Segment.
called
Segment.
segment.
Minor segment or segment.
Minor segment.
Why minor segment?
What is this called?
Arc.
Arc.
We can call it minor arc also.
A hemisphere is like a segment.
Beta, hemisphere is a 3D shape and my segment is 2D. Okay.
So it's semicircle.
So semicircle can be, so semicircle may, if you just consider this is an arc. If you join this becomes in segment.
Okay.
All right. And this is diameter, this is chord.
Okay.
So then we have learned chord also. Now this, what is this line called?
So this line is called. So this line is
Tangent.
no, second.
Tangent.
Tangent. So
What
how?
about this line called?
Sir, segment.
No.
Not a segment.
No, so this is second.
For a
So this is second.
Secant.
This is
Secant. Not second, secant.
Okay, secant, right.
Oh.
Okay, so radius diameter we already know.
Sir, can
Yes,
I
sir.
annotate? I want to ask a question.
Yes, you
Two
can
time
annotate.
radius.
Sir, can you scroll it up for a second?
Yes.
Yes, sir, that's. How to annotate? Yes, sir, you can scroll it down.
That's it.
Yes, sir, that's it.
Any doubts you can ask me, guys.
No, sir, no doubts.
I didn't get it how to annotate.
It's okay.
Then that you have to figure it out.
I'll tell
Guys,
you.
next class
tomorrow.
we'll do a quick revision of the things that we
Yes,
have
sir.
learned in geometry, and then we will start doing the questions. Bye bye.
Sir, I have one more
Hi, sir.
riddle for you. I recently heard this at school. Why was the math book sad?
Because it had a lot of problems.
Shut up, Mr. Blah.
Thank you, Mr. Blau. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Yes.